Hey Dan. Um, so some of my biggest takeaways from this video were the type of software processes that you're talking about. How you have like the waterfall method versus the agile life cycle, um, and just seeing the flow of it and noticing that I think oftentimes we probably use the agile life cycle because we're like constantly updating, we're constantly designing, implementing, verifying new things, but it doesn't necessarily look um, like you finish one aspect and then it's done. You're continuously updating um, and changing that. I thought it was cool to see like where we get our user stories from, and making sure that we're talking to stakeholders and the customers and seeing exactly what they want. And I think you talked about how oftentimes we write code and we think that it's good, or like it makes sense to us why we're doing what we do, but as like a consumer, it doesn't really make sense sometimes, and so we need to be aware of that. So user story is talks about some sort of idea or like thing that we want to do in the app. So for example, let's say like as a user, I want to share pictures so that other users can see my pictures, for example, and then the user case is going to like a step-by-step process of how to make that happen, and like where you're starting the application and saying like I open up the dashboard, um, and then I like click on a profile, and then I click on a picture, and then from there I click the share button, and then I share it with someone. And so just like the step-by-step process, I guess like the details to make that happen. um, and yeah